Hello and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's begin by listening to expert opinions on how generative AI, or Gen AI, is shaping the future of personalized learning and classroom instruction with some examples.
Generative AI is revolutionizing personalized learning by adapting content to individual student needs, learning speeds, and styles. It provides real-time feedback, helping students correct mistakes instantly and reinforcing learning. For teachers, AI automates tasks like lesson planning and grading, allowing more focus on student engagement. However, ethical considerations such as data privacy, AI bias, and over-reliance must be addressed. AI should be a collaborative tool, fostering critical thinking rather than replacing human interaction. When used responsibly, it can enhance learning while preserving the educator's role as a mentor and guide.
AI is transforming personalized learning through responsive ecosystems that adapt to how individual students learn. Imagine adaptive learning pathways where AI analyzes each student's patterns and adjusts instruction in real time, creating personalized explanations using examples connected to their interests.
Generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Synthesia enhance personalized learning by enabling adaptive content creation and real-time instructional adjustments. ChatGPT helps educators generate custom lesson plans, quizzes, and tutoring support, while Synthesia creates AI-powered video lessons and virtual learners. These tools foster responsive learning environments, allow teachers to focus on mentorship and student engagement. The key is balancing AI driven insights with human interaction, ensuring effective, ethical, and engaging education.
What gets me more excited is how generative AI could take personalization to a whole new level. Take language learning, for instance. Duolingo is playing around with generative AI to create conversations that match learner interest and level. Or look what's happening in math education. There are projects where AI doesn't just mark answers as wrong, but tries to figure out exactly your thinking went sideways, then create practice problems targeting specific confusions. This is impossible, or at very least, very hard to do manually with quality, let's say for 30 different students. Right feedback is another area with huge potential. Tools like Amigo are starting to provide feedback on essays that it's tailored to each student writing level.
AI can adjust reading levels or provide real-time quiz support based on learner needs. Educators, however, must be aware of AI limitations and provide learners with instruction and coaching to ensure proper use. Stress to learners that AI does not take the place of human. AI is your tool, not vice versa.
The most promising applications keep teacher central while automating differentiation tasks. Teachers become learning architects and mentors using AI insights to guide instruction. Classrooms become more responsive environments where teachers address unique teaching opportunities, while AI handles personalized practice and progress monitoring. Looking ahead, I'm excited about classrooms where instruction can be adapted on the fly. Imagine teaching a lesson, noting some confused face, having AI instantly suggest different ways to explain the same concept based on what worked best for the students before.
Next, let's hear experts discuss how tools like ChatGPT and Synthesia help educators create more effective and engaging learning content.
Generative AI tools are completely changing how teachers can approach content creation. Text-based tools like ChatGPT or Claude. You can generate explanations at different levels, create different activities to target specific learning objectives, or develop scaffold worksheets for students who might need different levels of support. For video content, tools like Synthesia or Google Video open incredible possibilities. You can now create instructional videos with virtual presenters explaining concepts without needing professional recording equipment or spending hours of editing.
ChatGPT and Synthesia have transformed content creation by making it faster, more interactive, and engaging. ChatGPT helps educators generate lesson plans, quizzes, and personalized explanations, enabling adaptive learning. Synthesia, an AI video tool, allows teachers to create customized multilingual video lessons without needing professional recording setups. These tools save time, enhance accessibility, and engage diverse learners through dynamic multimedia content. By leveraging AI, educators can focus more on teaching and student interaction rather than content production.
ChatGPT can draft interactive exercises, while Synthesia turns them into engaging explainer videos, transforming traditional materials into dynamic, student-centered content.
These tools are creative accelerators, not replacements. You can prompt ChatGPT for discussion questions, then refine them with your expertise. You can create video drafts with Synthesia, then enhance them with your educational insights. This approach preserves quality while dramatically reducing production times, letting you focus on what matters the most. That is, interacting with students and providing meaningful feedback.
These tools reduce prep time and support multimodal learning for diverse students. Ensure you validate all content to ensure accuracy and ethical compliance before sharing. In addition, analyze the costs of these tools versus the functionality they provide. In turn, ensure return on investment for your institution and organization.
What's powerful about combining these tools is the ability to create multimodal resources. I can use ChatGPT to generate the script, Synthesia to create the video presentation, and add some interactive elements after. A process that I recommend is start with clear learning objectives. Then use ChatGPT or Cloud to generate different content formats addressing those objectives. Next, consider which elements would benefit from visualizations or video, and use Synthesia or Google Video to those components. Finally, don't forget, always review and refine the generated content.